Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. How do you plant hybrid tea roses? Typically, you're going to get them in a container. So you take them out of the container, and you can see here we've got a nice dark root system. You can see that there's peat and perlite in this soil. Most nurserymen know the trick of growing their good roses in a good soil. Now you can see here, even in the rose soil we're going to plant them in, we want a good organic base soil. Peat moss, either Michigan peat, Canadian peat, Florida peat. Add to that some perlite or vermiculite to lighten it up, maybe some builder sand, and make sure you plant this rose at the same depth level that it was growing at before. Remember that good, white, healthy roots are what you're looking for. If you start to plant your little rose plant and it has blackened roots or yellowed roots, go ahead and trim them off. And also go in here and kind of score the root sides of this so the roots will come out into the planting site. Plant at the same depth level that it was growing in the container. If anything, maybe a little bit of a pitcher's mound. Not too deep. And also, of course, I'd give it a good watering, make sure there's no air pockets around the base. And if you do that, you'll have a great rose bush for years and years to come. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.